Hey everyone, this is Craig from Vitex, and today we're going to actually do a product spotlight. So we're going to shine a light on a new product we have that's a 200 gig Breakout SR8 2 duplex LC. So if you're in the telecom space, specifically in 5G, this is something that you may want to hear. So what are some of the options when using a product like this? Well, when I was growing up, my mother always said, hey, why take one thing when you can get 5 awesome things at the same time? So this product actually brings in 5 great significant savings all in one cable. So the first part is, because it's an AOC, it helps with inventory management. We don't have to worry about a transceiver and our different breakout cables, handling all that inventory, getting things mixed up, maybe parts in wrong areas where we need them. So it's all in one spot, so the management is a lot easier. The second thing is it generates little to no heat. You know, having SFP connections and using them in your patch panel with an AOC is really great on cost savings. And because of our different transceivers and how they operate in outdoor environments, you can use it in a non-AC type way. So that's great for some of the different co-location and radio head setups we're going to talk about in a minute. The third one is the power consumption is really low, so that's going to help on your utility costs, bring your overall management costs down. The fourth one is that because it's a breakout solution, it allows you to do a phased maintenance upgrade, right? You don't have to swap everything all at once. You can still use some of your 25 gig components as you're upgrading things in your mid-haul area. And the fifth one is the space savings. So because we offer custom lengths, you can really get what's needed for you. So inside your patch panel setup, inside your fiber junction box, you won't have all this extra cable that's, you know, just taking up space, because you can order what you really need. So let's look at 2 of the configurations when this is really helpful. So the first one, we're looking at a telecom environment where we're operating primarily in 5G with different radio heads. And so this is a co-located setup where our DU is on site, so it's real close to our front haul connection. So we would be using this connection at our DU to connect into our fiber junction box area. And then from there, we would be able to connect through our junction box to all of the different radio heads. And so having 8 different connections allows us to really spread out and save on these 5 areas that we talked about. So the second one is, you know, we're talking about a hoteling concept. So this is when the DU is more off-site, so it's centrally located. In this area, you know, we're really not going to have as much external equipment. We would be doing things more inside. So this is also great to use for indoor environments. Here we were connecting the same way the DU out to our patch panel, and then through our external fiber box. You know, maybe you have some type of trunk cable in between here that'll connect these 2 up, and then your fiber box to all your radio heads. Those are connected in the same way as they are now. So if we just kind of look at, like, what do these 2 situations have in common? So the main component, you know, having our 200 gig QSFP double density breakout, this really allows you to worry less about inventory management. As we said, we can get custom cable lengths, so this will fit any solution that you have, and it allows us to really get the benefits of having a breakout in a RRH 5G setup. So if you have any more questions and you want to know about all of these great offers that you can get in one package, reach out to us here at Vitex in our New Jersey office. We would be happy to talk to you. And so until next time, I'll see you then.